Everyone's got an opinion about making money with n8n automations, but most of them are wrong. The gurus are selling you dreams of passive income, while the skeptic says it's impossible to make real money with AI automation at all. As someone who's actually built two different automation businesses, one of which is 77K per month and generated over 500K in revenue last year, I'm here to cut through both the hype and the negativity. In this video, I'm going to share with you what it actually takes to get to 20K plus per month with this model from someone who's actually living it. Look, I get why people are confused. On one side, you've got YouTubers promising you'll make millions automating random stuff. On the other side, you've got people saying the AI automation gold rush is over and nobody's making real money anymore. Both sides, when they're not actually the same person, are missing the point completely. I've scaled my automation agency to 77K per month, built productized n8n systems that sold for 250K total, work with over 100 clients. I've seen what works and what fails, and what actually drives revenue. The truth is somewhere in the middle, and it's much more nuanced than either side wants to admit. Business at its core is simply the art of transferring value and money. Here's what's killing most people trying to make money with n8n. They're stitching together random workflows and thinking that's valuable. It's not. Most workflows and tutorials you see on YouTube aren't production ready. They're demos that break the moment real business data hits them. And here's a dirty secret. Most YouTubers talking about n8n automations aren't actually making money doing automations. They're following trends and making contradictory videos that confuse you because they don't have real client experience. One week they say AI agents are the future. The next week they say AI agents don't work. They're content creators, not automation business owners. Some of them advertise making 100K in a year, which is nothing by the way for a business, then pretend to teach you about selling 50K clients. They're out there selling you courses on how to do things they've never done even themselves, and they're making bank with it. Meanwhile, at my company at Wingrow, we just signed a 7.5K deals and a 30K deal just last week. Let me be blunt. You can run any business model, even a terrible one, to 20K plus per month if you have experience and know how to execute. The AI automation niche isn't bad by any means. You just need to sell it correctly. Here's what most people get wrong. Businesses don't care about AI automations. They care about ROI positive transformations. ROI means return on investments. AI just happens to provide new opportunities for us automators in terms of what's possible, how fast we can do it, and at what cost. But anyone can automate random stuff. That's not real value. That's why a lot of people say this feels a commodity and think they can get those automations on Fiverr. Real value comes from spotting ROI opportunities inside a business, optimizing their operations, and only then automating those opportunities, with or without AI. I don't sell n8n workflows. I sell businesses transformation that saves 10K per month in labor costs, or generate 100K in new revenue by allowing people to focus on higher leverage tasks. See, there's a big difference. The process is always the same. You understand the business, you identify inefficiencies, you calculate the ROI potential, then you optimize the process, and then you build the automation. The n8n part is actually the easiest and the last part. Most of my 20K months comes from 2-hour builds that solves $100K problems. Here's another thing that tutorials don't teach. There are endless ways to monetize n8n skills. Custom projects for 3 to 15K each, monthly maintenance retainer at 500 to 2K, full operating systems like my lead generation OS that sells for 5K plus, with $250 per month maintenance, AI products consultation, done for you services. The possibilities are really endless here. I've made money with all those models. The key isn't picking the perfect model, it's having an offer dialed in that you can actually sell constantly. Here's the paradox. Client acquisition is both the hardest and the easiest thing about this business. It's hard because you need to constantly put yourself in front of people who have money and problems that you can solve. It's easy because if you can actually deliver results, word of mouth and reputation do most of the work. In my experience, I grew significantly through reputation and referrals, but it depends on your offer. Ads might work better for productized automations than for custom development service. The key is matching your client acquisition strategy to your business model, not following what some guru says works for everyone. If you want to build a real n8n automation business that actually hits 20K months, not the fantasy version of the doom and gloom version, I invite you to join my free school group that currently has over 1.3K members. You'll be able to learn all about business, operations, automations, and AI as we're building the modules. You'll find real client work, production-ready workflows, and honest business advice. No hype, no negativity, just what actually works. And if you liked the video and found it informative, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. It goes a long way for us small creators.